Every now and then I get offers to review mini computers from China, and usually I decline these offers because I'm simply not that interested in the mini computers. But I want to connect a computer to my TV to be able to block all the ads, and my wife is not very excited of me building a full-blown ATX or micro ATX PC and putting it next to the TV bench. So this time I accepted the review to see what kind of performance and what kind of experience I can expect from these Chinese mini computers. This one is particularly tiny, and as you can see, it can basically fit on my hand without overlapping. So, even though it is tiny, and as far as I know it is also passive cooled, it still comes with a decent connectivity. At the front we have only the power button, but then on the side we have two USB 3 ports, one USB 2 port, and at the back we have USB Type-C port, another USB Type-C port, but this one I believe is only for charging. It has a title 12 volts. Then we have two HDMI outputs. We have an audio jack for microphone and or speakers and the headset. Additionally, we have here a micro SD card slot, and finally we have a full-sized Ethernet jack. On this side we don't have anything, it's just a hole for secure mount if you are working in some sort of a store and need to attach it to your desk. Now, let's take a look at the title and specification. This is branded MeLE, or I'm not quite sure how to properly pronounce this name, I will just say MeLE. Quieter 4C, and it comes with the LPDDR5 SSD, F5V. I'm not entirely sure what kind of specs I have got inside, but LPDDR5 suggests that it is rather modern hardware. Apart of the PC itself, we also have some extra stuff in the box, so let me take it out and take a look. We have this kind of a mount plate. I assume this is to be able to mount your mini PC behind your TV. So it goes like this, and then you can either try to mount it at the back side of your TV or mount it on the wall. So pretty neat, I would say. Then in the box we also have the power adapter. The power adapter I think is universal, because, yeah, this one is a USB Type-C power adapter. Let's see the specification. So it supports 100 to 240 volts input, so it would work both for American and European network. And how much output we can get? Up to 24 watts. So it's pretty low power, but not too bad. And then for these connectors, this is, I believe, for the UK. I'm not sure who is using this kind of jack, but looks like UK. And this one is for the Europe, so I assume it just slides like that, or how exactly? Okay, so maybe I supposed to slide it like this. Yeah, so it just slides like that, and you have your power adapter. I guess it's really not much to tell without testing this tiny mini computer, but I have to say I am really impressed of how tiny it is and how much connectivity it has. I guess I will just fire it up and add some extra specs on the screen after I do this unboxing.